Hi guys, my name is Karina Matsushita. How are you? I'm from Brazil, from Falcão Peregrino Scout Group. I was a young member there, and about 5 years ago, I returned with my family, and today I am president of the group. Well, today we're going to talk about sustainability. Some people think that sustainability depends only on the big attitudes, big companies, big steps. But it can start with you, with your family, with your neighborhood, your city, and the world. Small attitudes that resonate several times become attitudes of great impact. Let's start it. We will make the beeswax wrap. The beeswax wrap is a great substitute for plastic that wraps apple or sandwich to take to school, or put on the jars that have no lid. The plastic is recyclable, but can take 100 years to decompose. The beeswax wrap is reusable, non-toxic, biodegradable, and antibacterial. So let's see the supplies needed. 100% cotton fabric, beeswax, grater, iron, parchment paper. First of all, you have to grate the beeswax like this. Put the parchment paper and the fabric on the paper. Spread beeswax all over the fabric, like this. Switch on the iron and put another paper on top. Iron it to melt the wax. Be sure all the wax is melted and cover all the fabric. When you think it's okay, you can iron another side. Stop, switch off the iron, and wait until it's warm. I think it's okay. Look at this. This is your beeswax wrap. To finish, you take your zigzag scissor and cut all the sides. Well, and now you can use your beeswax wrap. Thank you very much for your attention. Be prepared.